Hi guys, Kid and Nate back here with another video. Today we're gonna do another Amazon packaging because it came in today. So let's go. I got, instead of one Funko Pop, it's two Funko Pops. I think they're fine. Okay, there we go. We got. Okay. It's a little bigger. Oh my god, this is hard. I'm just gonna cut here. There we go. Oh wait, no. Not yet. Let me go. Okay. Boom. Got one side. We're doing the other side. Just, wow, it's already 2 minutes and I'm just basically trying to open this package. Wow. Ooh, 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 ooh. I got it. Wait. Let me continue using the scissors. Boom. Got it. Yeah. Okay, since I said I got two Funko Pops in here, I'll show you the first one. Oh, okay. I guess one comes in a sorter box, the other one doesn't. The first one I got is Rey from Star Wars. Yeah, this one was pretty cheap, so I wanted this for my Star Wars set. Wait, God. I want to take it out of the box. Probably make a separate review on this. But there you go. Here's a box. We're gonna put this down here. Let's show you the first one. I had to really show you. I'm pretty sure you could have read the front, but okay. Is the Mandalorian the child? Yeah, the meme culture. Look at this little baby. Look at it. He's so cute. Yeah, here's the Mandalorian. And and finally, it's just something for my sister. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. So we got Star Wars pops because I got this for May the 4th. For May the 4th. Wait, no, not May the 4th. It's Star Wars days just in general. So yeah. Peace, love, and appreciate. I'll see you all next time. Wait, and oh God. There you go. Here.